Oh, looks like we're going up. Don't worry, Sonny. Alright, taking a quick pit stop. Check out this view. Sonny, don't fall. Alright. That was a... I wish I had Shiori to film on the back, because that was a very off-road ride coming up here. So, I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to follow this guy. Uh-oh. It's okay. He's wagging his tail. Who's that, Sonny? Alright, so where do we go?
Yep.
Following you. Wake up. It's okay. Don't worry.
Just take your hands and come. He will make it all.
Oh, there's another one coming too. Oh shit.
Don't worry, guys.
Wow. Very cool.
House, I come.
These dogs are going crazy.
Yes, you can.
This waterfall better be worth it. Was it worth it? Was it worth the walk? Yeah?
Walk.
Good? It was good? Okay. Good. Into the jungle? Oh, it keeps going. We're going to the bottom of the hill. Oh, this is treacherous.
It's so hard to get water to my neighbors.
This is definitely the most adventurous of the falls I've been to. Or viewpoints. Man, this really takes you off the path. Hear the waterfall. Ooh! Oh shit.
It's so bad. Man, you cannot find better? No, I have a new one. Are you at home?
Man, I can see the water though through the trees. Doesn't look that big. We'll see. We're at the falls. Very nice. Oh, no, not wasting time.
Sunny.
Go, Sonny.
You can swim?
She's going to learn today.
It's cold, man.
How deep is it?
It's very cold.
Yeah, well, you said... Oh, that looks so refreshing. All right, I gotta get in my bathing suit. Get in there.
How deep is it? It's okay, you can stay. Oh, that's cool. Very refreshed. Wim Hof. Okay. Sunny!
Oh, amazing. That's it.
Sport! Cardio!
All right, Dominic, your turn. Get in.
Not yet.
Careful. Oh man. Don't fall, please. Big pool? You want to go up to the big pool? Oh, looks like we're going up. Don't worry, Sonny. You're going to take her up there? All right. Climb that first level. Down there you can see my stuff somewhere. Then beautiful falls up here. Another pool. Going to go around the corner now. Oh shit. Beautiful. Look at that. Majestic, baby. Sonny! No, Sonny! Sonny! God, you crazy dog. Dude, she's gonna go flying into the fall. Alright, who's going in? Alright, we're gonna head up to where the trail split, and I think that leads us down to the bottom of this waterfall. Got Sunny. And back up the mountain we go. Alright boys, you first. Get a good climbing shot of y'all. Back on the trail we go. I don't know what's making that noise, but holy. Sounds like it's right above me. That's so loud. Alright, you guys want to go or what? You guys want to go off the beaten trail, of course. So it's a no-go?
He said no-go.
Okay.
Oh, Dominic, you can go check.
Listen to that.
I don't want.
Oh, that's deafening. Sonny, you hear that?
You want to go to check it out?
Okay, let's get out of here, man. I'm going to get deaf. Today's definitely a leg day. Whew. Starting to feel it in the quads. I love it though. I'm sitting on my ass for too long.
So, you go down here? Why?
No.
Why not should be the question.
I think we're done. Oh, we still have to climb this hill.
Oh man, it's okay, go.
I know it's okay. Easy. Easy.
You're not seeing remarkable.
Easy. Oh.
You can jump, David.
Uh-huh. Man, this shows me how out of shape I am right now. Really got to do some cardio. This is good. This is good. Oh, but now I wish I could go into the water again. Okay. Oh. We're back. It's okay, we're leaving. Okay. Oh, I want a coconut. Want coconut? Thank you. Coconut. Coconut. Nature's Gatorade. Definitely need one of those. Oh, let's check out the view. This view is probably incredible. Beautiful.
No way.
Yeah.
Nah,
And it's on a gimbal, see? So,
no.
Yeah.
Mirá, todo balance automático tiene.
yeah. Gimbal.
Kembo.
Yeah, yeah. So
You
no
like
no
it here?
vibration.
What
Canada.
is the name?
DJI.
DJI.
Yeah,
I take a picture.
they do the drone. Very good company.
It's excellent, you know?
Yeah. Most people really like to know what camera I use. 'Cause it's such a tiny one. But it has a gimbal and everything.
What was 20?
Alright. Head to the beach. Get something to eat.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Sunny's poop. Let's roll. So in just one day, they cleared all of this. I think they're gonna build bungalows. All right, it's time for good old coconut toss. All right, see if you can beat my line. No! All right, here's where I made it. Here we go. Aim for my head. Oh! There's Michelle's, there's mine. All right, let's go. Oh! Oh! Almost. Almost. Right here. I bruised the bottom of my foot and it was healing for the last 4 days. And now I just jumped on another rock. Same place on the bottom of my foot. That hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. Oh, no. I guess basketball's gonna have to wait another week. Oh, dude. Oh, so bad.
It's okay, huh?
Golf is okay.
It's okay.
Later that night.
Michelle. I got the present for you. I wish Dominic was here, but
No, she says sleeping this dog.
yeah, it was a long day. Here, check it. This is a ghost pepper
Oh fuck.
chips. If you can, it says if you can last 30 seconds, you're a champion.
You buy it here?
Yeah,
Fuck. How much?
dude,
How
get
many is COVID?
10,000 or something.
Oh, it's not so much if 10,000.
100,000. It shows you the top. It's at the top though. The ghost
Oh,
pepper is the
stop.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, 1 million.
Yeah, you're supposed to just eat one whole chip. Is it hot or is it just bullshit? Do you feel it
Maybe
yet?
later, I feel, but
No. Oh, here it
start
goes.
a little bit more.
Oh.
Now it's like tom yum,
Okay.
spicy tom yum,
It's getting hotter.
like 2 spoons
Yeah, but you're
of
not.
hot spicy tom yum, and you like.
We have
"Oh,
these chips.
fuck,
We have
it's
these.
so
We have
like
these
that."
chips in America. They're like you buy one chip is $20. So the fact that you get a bunch in this, I didn't think it would be that hot. It's not that hot, eh? Okay, I'm taking it.
You feel it. But if I take maybe 3 more, yeah, it will
Alright.
be harder.
I mean, I love spicy. That's probably the spiciest chip I've had, but
It's not like, oh fuck, and you start crying. It's hot.
I have another one. Have 3.
I don't want to feel bad tomorrow morning
Come
when
on.
I go in toilet.
Come on.
No, man.
One more.
Why we need to do it?
It's Pringles. It's not that bad. Come on, I'll have another one.
No, I feel in my mouth. I
Yeah?
feel spicy. Yeah, I feel hot. That one. You see? I feel.
Have another one. They get
I
better.
still feel.
You got the hiccups?
What?
Do you have the hiccups?
I don't know what hiccups. Ah, no. No.
All right. Well, I was hoping for tears, but it is what it is. You all right?
Yeah, but it's really spicy.
Another one. Another one.
No. It's enough for me. I feel like I want to